Shit you not. There is a great blue heron in there. That's a great blue heron, no shit. Endangered species, wildlife footage. Great blue heron. Great blue heron. Endangered species. Only at the library can you capture endangered species. Inappropriate Super Bowl t-shirts. Sweaters. No more great blue heron, but anyway, I thought I'd finish it with like river stuff. That's why I went after. I've been looking for this bird, Mr. Endangered Species. Yeah. Hey, but check out those boats. These are gonna look familiar in like a little bit. I'm gonna do this thing and see the tree. Frame that in your mind. Okay, 2 seconds. Long walk. That's like Sleepy Hollow. Okay, Fire the Architect, eh? I want a house that just looks like a face. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Like a cartoon character face with a bow tie underneath it. Oh yeah. And 3 teeth. And an ear. Literally has a fucking ear. I mean, and on the other side it's got an ear. Legitimately a tree house, but bad shot. But there's one in there. Some unreadable sign. It's posted though. I hear it. I'm literally not in the street. Bam. Those are the boats. I know. And there's the bridge. That boat right there. This look like the other. And this bridge is a long story. I'll go over that. That's a world record bridge. It doesn't exist anymore. Oh boy, that's a long one. Used to be, that bridge right there used to look like that, and there's a long story as to why it doesn't. I'm not gonna get into that, but those boats over there, when that guy moves his car, I'll show you. Okay, those are the boats I was talking about from, yeah. I don't know. Those 2 boats, the only boats on the river. They look like the other boats are on the river, so maybe. It's definitely a log tug and a fishing boat of some kind, or whatever. I'm gonna go check it out. This is a log tug. It's a painting of a log tug, yes. I can explain a log tug. It's basically a motor that pulls a bunch of logs with a little shack on it you steer from. They're very, 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 very powerful, like a miniature river tugboat. It's a log tug. That's what I call them. I don't know. And maybe there's a historic, maybe we'll look at a historic one. There's one down the way. We'll go check that out next.